What's going on, everybody? Glad to be back on YouTube. I'm gonna make a video today of milling up some of these pine logs. This weekend we had this tree, which was a really good sized pine tree, fell down onto a neighbor's fence. We had storms come through and pushed the tree over. The tree landed on a T-post, drove the T-post into the ground about an extra foot, and also embedded about 5 or 6 inches into the log. This log right here, so I have to find that piece of metal before I can mill it. So I'm going to move these to the mill and set this one off to the side so I can find that metal first and mill up some 2x4s, 2x6s, some 1x's to keep working on the chicken house. Still having a problem with raccoons and opossums. We've trapped several coons now since the last video, so got to get the new chicken house done. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Also, hit subscribe. I appreciate my subscribers very much and would like for everybody else to keep getting the videos and get notified of them when they come up. So hang in there. Let's get this bad boy on the mill. Some really good looking stuff. This is amazing how good pine looks, but take a look at this. That is metal. That is probably barbed wire fence that was in this tree a long time ago. But it's still cutting pretty good, so we're going to keep running the blade, but that's metal right there. first log. Got 11 10.5 foot 1x12s, actually 12.5 inches. And then 2 of them are 10.5 foot long, and they are 11 inches wide. And then that last one on top is just 6 inches wide. Comes out to about 144 board feet out of that first log. And we got some more to do. All right, folks, I got the second log on, and I got to figure out how I'm going to start it, because if you can see down through there, there's a flat spot on this thing. It almost has like a groove in it down through there, and it also had a little bit of rot on the end, or right on the outside edge. So I'm probably going to have to cut it this way to get through the rot, but it's going to be right in the middle of that little flat spot. But we'll figure it out. That's what caused this tree to fall, was bugs in it, and it was dying. So we'll get it cut and get some good lumber out of it. So this tree, part of it had started turning to fat wood. If you don't know what fat wood is, go back and watch one of my previous videos specifically on fat wood. But this is what it looks like. That's fat wood. It's full of sap where the tree is starting to die. these are 1x8s that I got out of that. I got 12 out of that. And I still have that slab to cut up for 2x6s. And I should get about 7 or 8 2x6s out of that piece. Not too shabby. All right, well, I've got 2 logs milled, and that last log I ended up with 12 1x8s, and it's the store-bought size. And then I got 8 2x6s that are 10.5 foot long, and got 3 1x11s. It all comes out to about 150 board feet. So I ended up getting close to 300 board feet out of those 2 logs. And so I've got to go stack all this mess. But very thankful for it, very thankful. And thank you for watching the video. This is all going towards the chicken house. That'll be another video. So thank you for watching. God bless.